If you run a WordPress website, you already know how crucial it is to deliver emails reliably, whether it's a customer reaching out via your contact form or order confirmations from your online store. In 2026, setting up SMTP for your WordPress emails isn't just a techie upgrade. It's an absolute necessity, as the old built-in PHP mail system just doesn't cut it anymore. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll have a robust, professional email setup that ensures your site's messages land in inboxes, not in the spam folder. Let's dive right in. First up, you need an SMTP plugin to act as the middleman. My top recommendation is WP Mail SMTP by WP Forms, and for good reason. It's trusted by millions and incredibly beginner-friendly. Just head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New and search for WP Mail SMTP. You'll spot it right away. Go ahead and hit Install and then Activate. Right after activation, you'll usually be greeted by the Setup wizard, which does a great job at guiding you through step by step. If it doesn't show up automatically, don't worry. You can always find the settings under WP Mail SMTP in your dashboard sidebar. Now you'll need to choose your mailer service. This is the provider that actually sends your emails for you. For most website owners in 2026, a few great options stand out. Brevo, formerly known as Sendinblue, is a favorite because of its generous free plan, perfect if you send fewer than 300 emails a day, and it's remarkably reliable. If you're tied into Google's ecosystem, you might want to use Gmail or Google Workspace. Just note it's a bit more technical to set up due to added security steps, unless you spring for the pro version with a simpler process. If you love simplicity and flexibility, give Fluent SMTP a look. It's totally free forever, supports multiple email providers, and even includes advanced logging so you can troubleshoot easily. Of course, if your web host has already provided you SMTP details, like SiteGround or Hostinger often do, just pick other SMTP. This helps you use your web host settings directly. Once you've chosen a mailer, you'll need to fill in a few crucial settings. Slow down and give this step your focus. A small typo here can trip you up. First, enter your from email. This is the address your emails will actually come from. Use an address on your own domain if possible, something like info@yourdomain.com for maximum deliverability. Next, add your from name, like your brand support or simply the name of your business. This gives your messages a recognizable sender, which helps avoid spam filters and reassures recipients. Depending on your chosen mailer, you have a couple more boxes to fill. If you picked other SMTP, you'll need to enter the SMTP host, which will look something like smtpyourhost.com plus the correct port, usually 587 for TLS encryption or 465 for SSL. Then add the full login email and password for your sending account. If you're using Brevo, SendGrid, or another API-based service, you'll simply paste in the API key generated in your service dashboard. Take your time here and triple-check these details. They need to match exactly. Before you start high-fiving yourself, make sure it all works by sending a test email. In your dashboard, go to WP Mail SMTP, click on Tools and then Email Test. Type in any email you can check quickly and hit Send Email. Now pause for a second, head to your inbox. If you see that success message, congratulations, you're all set. If it fails, don't panic. The plugin offers a debug events log you can check for common errors, like a wrong password or a blocked port. This might take a little tinkering, but with patience, you'll get through it. That's it, you're now protected against the most common WordPress email headaches, and your messages should reliably reach their destination. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into snags, drop them in the comments. I read every one and I'm here to help. And if you want more clear, practical WordPress tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and here to smoother, stress-free emails on your website.